got -1, and yeah, it's about the right spot. Okay, so we've found the center of circle. And this is also known as H and K, which we substitute back into that first problem we went through. Alright, now we mosey on over to the distance formula. Distance formula is equal to the square root of x1 minus x2 squared plus y1 minus y2 squared. And this is going to give us our distance. Now this is the distance, this is the diameter. This is a complex problem. So I can see why you wanted to talk about this. I guess the reason I do these things is now you could go back and actually re-look at this thing a couple times if you wanted to see how I go through it. But anyway, let's substitute some numbers in. Okay. And numbers we're going to substitute in. Here's x1, here's x2. So, is equal to square root, and let's just fill this in here with all the parts. And x1 minus x2 is -3 minus -1. Over here. -5 minus 2. Okay, let's do some simplifying here. Square root. -3 minus a -1 is going to be -2 squared plus -5 minus 2 is -7 squared, and this is all over. Square root of 4 plus 49, which is equal to square root of 53. Cool. So that gives us our diameter. We're not done. Keep going here. We have the diameter. The radius is equal to half of a diameter, or a diameter over 2. So we're really looking at here taking this square root of 53 over 2. And let's see how the camera's doing here. Yep, we got it. We're humming. Now on to page 96 here. We're almost done. So let's write down on a clean sheet of paper here. The center of the circle is -2, -3 halves. And this is the center. The radius is on this other page, and I have to admit this is the longest problem I've worked on video here. Square root of 53 over 2. Alright, we are truly almost done with this one. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. So here we go. X minus a -2 squared plus y minus a -3 halves squared is equal to, and taking this and squaring it, 53 over 4. Simplifying, x plus 2 squared plus y plus 3 halves squared, include 53 over 4. And I'm now going to mosey on back over here. And let's see where it is. And on mine, the answer choice is C. Good job. It liked it. Whew. Talk about pressure, doing this on camera. Alright, and here's the last thing I want to give you help with, is number 32. Is I'm going to help you draw the picture. Find the equation of a circle with -5 and 8. That's nice, because we know that H and K is equal to -5, 8. Okay. Tangent touching at one point to the y-axis. Now that's where it's trying to throw you. And here's what we're going to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm plotting this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right here. So this is -5, 8. And you're going to say, or maybe you might say, who knows? Hopefully you'll look at this and say, well, it kind of makes sense what he's about to do. It says tangent to the y-axis. That means that with this as the center and it touches the y-axis, it touches right there. Now you could use the distance formula, because when you draw this circle here, like this, tangent means a circle pushing up against this line here. It's only going to hit it in one spot when they say tangent. Now you could go through the distance formula, but there's no point. Let's push the easy button. The distance from here to the y-axis is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's the center, and the radius is equal to 5. You need to substitute that back into that H and K center of a circle formula, and with that you would be you would come up with the answer to this problem. So hopefully you understand this. This certainly, I mean, this is almost a whole class period here. I'm looking at how long this thing took for me to go through, and this is a 16 and a half minute presentation. And on that, I am going to hang up this thing and put it up so you can see it. Conclusion of video.